Hoshizaki Steelheart refrigerator freezer combo units provide versatile cold storage with separate sections for frozen and chilled items. Available in 1 and 2 section models, these units feature a top-mounted, self-contained refrigeration system with digital controls for precise temperature management. The stainless steel interior and exterior ensure durability, while solid locking doors enhance security. Inside, adjustable epoxy-coated racks offer flexible storage to hold a variety of items. To learn more or purchase a Hoshizaki combo refrigerator freezer, visit KaTom.com or call our customer care team today.